Hi, I'm going to show you how to add the notebook as an assignment and what to do on how to unsubmit it. So what I've done is I've made these buttons in a page. And so this is, and I add the link to the notebook from the notebook page onto this so that this is clickable for them and it takes them right to their notebook. I can see who has done the open up the notebook, like this student has not done it. This student has. I can see what they've submitted. They had an assignment this week, so I can see who submitted it. And what I will do is I will go through the grade book and I will see who has done it. I'll give them credit on my roll sheets. And then what I done is I have made this an assignment. So let me, so I made this as a separate assignment. So what I'll do is I see that he did his, so I will give him his grade. And then what I will do is I will go to the notebook. So I'll go and just see if I just want to do a quick look. I'll just go and see who's turned it in and then go give them the credit. If I feel very adventurous, I'll go ahead and open up the notebooks. And then when I'm done grading, like I'm done with his, I'm just going to put unsubmit. Now, this is the document actually that they turned in. So I can see it from here that he's turned it in. So I'll just unsubmit that. And then the next student, I will check and see how they did. And then I will unsubmit so that the notebook is usable for the whole semester and I can reuse it. Now, how to assign the notebook itself? So what you'll do is you will add an assignment. And then I'm just going to put notebook. They'll freak out if they see that. So I have to erase this right away. So I'm going to go to the Google Drive assignments. And I did open it recently, so it would show up. So I'm just going to click on that. And then I'm going to attach it. And then I'm going to give it the due date, whatever that is, how much it's worth. I put till December since I'm going to be opening it up and submitting and unsubmitting them. I put it under, I do 2 grades. I do daily assignments, which is 80%, and then I do notebooks, ed puzzles, and assessments as 20% of the grade. So that's what I mark. And then, you can copy this to all the courses and then create it. So actually, I'm not going to create it. I'm going to leave it at that. But hopefully that helps. Thank you.